Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Ka Nips Hotel Management ka Shilam Aji kay kapatid hakasinong Nongman Song katad Shillong haka laiterik unailar arjar punrio kala rakhi yaka foundation di bat Pdiang Burom ya ki Samla Pule ki bathamai ki ban sasha ahi kay pentibet haka hotel management nakani ka Shilam Pule haka ni ka sinilay don ringkat lang nadu ki Nongtrei jongka Vivanta Polo Towers Center Point kentubru ki Nongtrei jongka Nips Hotel Management Kidon kumba saupusan ngut ki Samla shenrang bat kentai ki bansa yo ya ki jingkai pentibet hakan ni keshilam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I'm here just to share few of my experience. I'm not here to give you a topic or lecture or something. Okay, I'm not that type of person. So we have a lot of this industry leader here, your faculty, okay, your respected seniors. I believe you all are freshers, right? So I am just here to extend my gratitude for inviting us, Vivanta. Okay, it's been an honor for us to be here. So this is the second time, as Sir Simang have told us, that second time foundation. I will be always here if I'm in Ceylon, okay? So, Simang sir, please don't forget. And your seniors are there in hotel, in Vivanta, been part of us, okay? They have been very hardworking. They have been doing really great. Few of them have got already placement there, okay? So my suggestion to you is that, please focus on your learning, don't make mistake. Okay, hospitality needs a lot of patience. If you are not patient, you will not be able to success. Okay, we Northeast people tend to live in middle. Why? Because I have seen a lot of our community there working in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, been part of a big organization, and they tend to live because they have something so-called ego in them. Okay, leave that part, go forward, and the sky is the limit. Okay, with this I would like to end my speech, and you stay well, stay safe, learn, grow, and achieve your success.
Looking at you reminds me of where I was once, stood with dreams, excitement, and honestly a lot of uncertainty. Like many of you, I simply wanted to learn and build a career. I started my journey in food and beverage, and eventually I found myself behind the bar. The journey wasn't easy. There were long hours, mistakes, and many challenges. But those challenges taught me something new and made me stronger today. I am grateful to be recognized as one of the leading female mixologists from the Northeast India. That recognition didn't come overnight. It comes through hard work, consistency, and never give up. One lesson I've learned is that no job is ever too small. Whether you're polishing glasses, serving guests, or making cocktails, do every task with pride because those small moments build your future. To all of you, I'd like to say this: stay curious, keep learning, work hard, and believe in yourself. Success takes time. And if you remain dedicated, opportunities will come. I hope that one day, some of you will stand here sharing your own stories and inspiring the next generation. Thank you so much.
It's been truly an honor to be working with these organizations and coming back to Shillong and helping the youths to to understand the actual meaning of hospitality. Right from 2003 until date, I've been working and being part of the hospitality. It's a path that I have chosen, and till date, it's a great pleasure to help people, to help the yes, who are coming from different part of the world, staying here in Shillong. And as you know, the tourism department in Meghalaya is booming, and there's a great opportunity for all of you to experience, to live your life in the hospitality sector. We'll be having many five-star hotel in Meghalaya. It's a great opportunity, and I think this is the right year that you are in, studying a hotel management school, where it will be very fruitful for you. Before we have to travel to different part of the state to get an experience, but over here, the government of Meghalaya, I believe, is doing a great job in promoting hospitality. So with these short words, I would like to end my speech, and I would like to call upon our chef. He's the executive chef of Pule Towers, Chef Charanji.
Give up after industrial training. Like when they go there, they see the what do you call hard life of the hotel industry, and when they come back, they quit. So give yourself a little bit of time, have patience inside you, yeah. And the new years, new students over here, especially the first year, yeah, you have to be like, I still remember my first year day. So I used to be like very nervous, sitting at the corner and about to give up. I don't want to do hotel management. So you have to be like very presentable, like you talk, you mingle with people. The thing inside you that if you're scared to talk to people, mingle with people, that thing should come out from your heart, yeah? That will make you more strong. As our industry is like, you have to be very presentable. Like for example, if you're there sitting in the interview room or group discussion room, everywhere, you have to be like very presentable, very talkative. So that thing has to be come out from your inside. Okay. That's all from my side, yeah. Thank you.
When I first joined this institution, I was excited but also a little bit nervous. I wonder what college life would be like, and whatever I would be able to adapt to this new environment. Looking back today, I can confidently say that joining this institution has been one of the best decisions of my life. From the very first day, our teachers made us feel comfortable and encouraged us to believe in ourselves. They are always supportive, patient, and understanding. Whenever we have doubts, they are ready to guide us and they motivate us to improve, not only academically, but also personally. Their encouragement has helped us become more confident every day. Our learning goes beyond textbooks. Theory classes, we understand the concepts of the hospitality industry, while practical classes allow us to develop the skills required to become future professionals. Every practical session has taught us the importance of discipline, teamwork, precision, and attention to detail. We have also given opportunities to participate in outdoor catering, ODC, where we experience real hospitality services. These events taught us how to work under pressure. Visiting professional hotels gave us a better understanding how the industry works, operates, and allow us to concentrate more in our practical knowledge.
Love is the three types. Interesting, right? First is attractive love. Second is true love. Last is compromise love. Alright? Every couple, wedding, I think those who have already married, they know compromise. So I want to know from you, those are new students, how many of you choosing this course as a compromise, true love, or the attractive? Because what happened, no? The students, they just hear from someone and they will just what? Oh, acha, kapra deta hai hotel management course. Job milega somewhere abroad. You will just jump to this course and you will come. In the middle, they will drop. This is called what? Attractive love. So you will understand yourself from today. Really you love this course, or you are coming with the means just the attractive or the compromise? No? And true love is what? You're really studying this course. You want to become something in the future. No? This is called true love. And compromise means you have no more option. Since you already joined this course, you are sorry. You fall in love with your attractive or the true love, but end of the day you have to finish the course. Compromise. Right? Because what, to get success, you have to face the problem. Without facing the problem, you won't get success. Yes or no? Right? Everyone know Google company? No? We know only what? Google is a big company. But you don't know how many apps they failed. Yes or no? Like Google app, Google Music Play. Even your life, you will fail many things. But through that what? You will get experience. Experience is the what? And through the experience what you will be getting skill, knowledge. And this is the key of your success. Is it clear? So you have to be compromised from today. If you don't know about hotel management course, just listening by your friends or someone and taking admission, came here. Now no option. Right? So study hard. Okay? We are the teacher, and what can we do? We can do only what? We can show the way. We cannot take you till your goal. You have to do your hard work. Right, my dear students? And yes, I don't want second time whenever I would say the good afternoon or something, you will be quiet. Hotel management student, you have to work. Speaking, right, sir? Yes. You have to be confident. No? I'll give you one example. Everyone know elephant, very big and stronger. Lion also. No? But see, I didn't see you. Whenever the lion go for hunting or from one place to another place, how he go? With full confidence. And elephant is very strong, but he will go just with what? How will I get food? Okay? But when they will meet each other in the middle of the way, elephant will think, wow, this is the danger situation for me now. Lion will think what? This is my challenging time. So what do you want to be, elephant or lion? Lion, right? Because you will get many problems. But you have to think, this is my challenging time. Okay? Now you are entering this course, you should be lion. You should think, I have to face, I have to challenge to achieve my goal. Right? Yes. Because what? Just to take the knowledge as the quantity, no point. You have to be what? Quality, as in money. No, everyone run for money. Then their minister, no, they will run for you. Because your money, you have a good quality, see, sirs are here. They're waiting for you. But they want you to be like money, high quality. Then only sir will select. Alright? You can be. No? Don't be like stranger. No? I am also like a stranger. Actually. My owner will string me as long as he can. When certain time no more sweets, no? With me, he will just drop. Don't try to be sweet gum. Try to be the money. All the time valuable. To make success, if you're coming to through your dream, then yes, this is the right place. Because you know, through this course, you have many kind of opportunity. No, sir? Many kind of opportunity. You know, many things are coming through your course. Like Daru. Who made this one? Hotel management sector only, I think. No? Like soft drinks, maza, and all everything coming from the beverage department. Like in the, what to say? The market, whatever you are getting, no? To eat, everything coming from this sector. Not only that, even the architecture and the interior design, this also coming from this is influenced by the hotel management. Then see where you are. Alright, this is the right course for you if you know. See, why need to work? If you force it, yes, unfortunately we don't have the research centers here. But if you will try to research yourself, see, maza and fruity, what is the difference? Maza and the slash, what is the difference? There's no difference, right? Same only. Suppose in the northeast there's many fruits. No? If you can make something in your life, research. No, permanently what will happen? You will be the owner of one juice. Right? Don't concentrate on the job. Try to do something unique. Try to what? Research how to make it one. If otherwise, sometimes if drop the hotel, what you say, to work in the hotel, go to some kind of factory, that which is juice factory, company, something. Go there, learn something. If you know something, how can make a long time to keep in the bottle, come back. If possible, make whatever you are getting fruits from you. If see marketing, how you will do? First, you will test yourself. Right? After they give to neighbors. If everyone is saying the taste from one research, don't make only. If possible, make 100 types, same different flavor you give. And which one is better? Choose this one. If everyone saying this is better, then you give to your friend, after the neighbor, after the little bit bigger you go. Every business not gets success within their day. Alright. So how many of you are coming here just for job? Job is like employees, like finger, you know. But you have to do this one also before jump to the business. Alright? Study hard. I request you, you will get many knowledge again. Today is the first time. We have many good teachers are here. They will really influence you and they will guide you. They will give you some idea. Do hard work. Okay? You will never get success without hard work. If you are not doing hard work, means this is dead body.
Dukan marbam ndai compare la kabarin ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way Nipishat ruti shat kiek mat kiwe nakabenta ka koi kakya jonggi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba pinyo ka jing shania naki pidon kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala itu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henriu link ba ka section lai pue iwe kam de ka ba ba pinyo e ka license Pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ko pihap pan upload ru tegi kot kisla badan kam kat kum gajajing kam jong pi Pila ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan hamegalaya latno tang is khasihers Pila ban letbet yak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan Rashapi daga Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bat Balakirshan daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.